Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Durango headlight. First, you'll need a few basic tools. Grab a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Make sure you have the correct replacement headlight bulb for your vehicle model. Always park your Durango on a level surface and turn off the engine completely before starting any work. Now, open your hood and locate the two 10mm bolts positioned on top of the headlight assembly. These are what hold it in place. Using your ratchet and 10mm socket, carefully remove both of these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to release it from its mounting clips. With the headlight assembly out, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully remove it. Now, insert your new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it clicks securely into place. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it seats properly. Reinstall and tighten the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it illuminates correctly. Check the description for a link to these leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.